Hi, first grade friends, and welcome back to Fundations. Today, the materials you will need are paper, a piece of cardboard to make your writing bumpy, a notebook, and a red crayon. Today's objective is I can identify and read the word family add. But let's look back at our trick words and review. So our first trick word of this week is We are going to write the word on a piece of paper that is on top of that cardboard to make your writing bumpy. Make sure you are writing with a red crayon. After you write the word on that piece of paper, you are going to take your pointer finger and trace over the word and spell it and say it. It's much like what we did yesterday. So go ahead, trace A, A, One more time. A, Good. Now we are looking at the word and. We are going to take the word and write it on a piece of paper. Make sure that piece of paper is laying on top of a piece of cardboard to make your writing bumpy. And you're writing the word and with a red crayon. Pause the video to take time to write the word and. Now we are going to take our pointer finger and we're going to trace each letter, say the letter, and say the word. So let's trace A, trace N, trace D, and A, N, D, and. Trace again. A, N, D, and. Good. Now our next trick word we're going to practice is the. Let's write the on a piece of paper. Make sure that piece of paper is on something bumpy and you're writing with a red crayon. Good. Now we're going to trace our letters with our fingers. Ready? Let's trace T and say it. Trace H, trace E. Now let's trace it again. T, H, E. The. One more time. T, H, E. The. Good job. Can you tell a parent or a family member a sentence using these three words? Now let's get ready to echo. Let's practice our letters and our sounds. When you see echo the owl, that means you repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, A. P, pan, P. Q-U, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Okay, now we are going to practice stretching out our vowel sounds. So let's get up. We can move our bodies with this. We can stretch with the vowel sounds. Let's try A. A, apple. I hope you're stretching. A, apple. Good. Now let's try E. E, ed. E, ed. I hope you're stretching with me. I, itch. I, itch. Now O. O, octopus. O, octopus. Good. Last one. U. U, up. U, up. Good. Now we are going to review tapping out sounds or tapping to read. So make sure you have your hands up. When you see the first sound, you touch your pointer finger to your thumb. When you see the middle sound, you tap your middle finger to your thumb. And when we see the last sound, you should be tapping your ring finger to your thumb. And when we blend the word together, we slide the thumb over our fingers. So let's review these words together and let's tap them. So let's look at the first word here and let's sound it out. And tap. So hands up. Let's start tapping. A, d, mad. One more time. A, d, mad. Good. You should be doing this with me. Now let's look at this word. Let's sound it out. Hands up. L, a, d, lad. Good. One more time. L, a, d, lad. Good. Now let's read this word. Let's sound it out. S, a, d, sad. One more time. S, a, d, sad. Good. And last word here. Let's sound it out. B, a, d, bad. One more time. B, a, d, bad. Now looking at these words, do you notice something that's similar about all of them? Yeah, they all belong to the add word family. So we briefly went over this the other day. So word families are words that have a common feature or pattern. So today we are going to talk about the add word family. Look at that boy. He looks so sad. But I can also read mad has the add at the end. Glad has AD endings. Dad, pad, sad, which that's what the little boy is. He's sad. Tad, fad, bad. Those are all words that have the AD ending add. So if you can read sad, you can read bad, mad, dad, fad, pad, tad, rad, and glad. So those are all similar endings to those words. You're just changing out the first sound, and we're keeping the last two sounds. So now you're going to try it on your own. You're going to look at your activities and you're going to make words with AD endings. Have a great day.